You need a new roof. Your home deserves the best. That means Semper Solaris. As a local veteran-owned company, we bring military values to every job. Honesty, integrity, and doing the job right the first time. We're not just installing roofs, we're building a legacy of award-winning craftsmanship, customer service, and dependability. As an Owens Corning Platinum Preferred Contractor, Semper Solaris is one of very few roofing installers in the nation to offer a 50-year warranty on the Owens Corning roofs we install. For most, it's the last roof you'll ever need. Call Semper Solaris today and get zero interest and zero payments for 18 months. American-made, 50-year warranty, thousands of 5-star reviews. Semper Solaris. Call Semper Solaris now and get your free roofing consultation today.